going to record this in parts. This is my Phoenix Tesla F150 radio install. The first part was pop this off, which if you look at my other video, I already took this off, but you basically got to pop this loose, pry this one out, don't take it off, and then remove the traction and reset button, and they give you a handy little clip. They give you 2 face plates to pop those off and put them on here. That's not explained in their video, but I guess they figured you ought to be able to do that. And then you got to take this sink plate off and that cigarette lighter. My sink plate is missing a, what's that holder? Okay, and that's gonna be for the USB connection. Gotcha. All right, let's do that next. I'm gonna do this video in pieces because I don't feel like going to get my other camera. All right, cigarette lighter and sink. The sink buttons are popped out. So that was pretty easy. Now comes the hard part. So all of this is gonna come out. And then those connections are gonna go here. Now the only thing I gotta figure out is how to wire the dash cam, and I got a rear camera. I don't think I'm gonna hook it up yet. I'm gonna have to have that professionally done because it's way on the back of the truck. But let's keep moving. All right, the DVD is out, and this is the, I guess, DVD control, which runs over here. All right, so that's out. And it's supposed to be one connection to go into there, and now I gotta take this out. Actually, this is the video screen, GPS and all that. That's the DVD. Be right back. Okay. Now here's where the confusion comes in at. I think I'm good with this one, because that came out the back of the DVD. And all of these, however, this connection, and let's see, this one, and this one. There's no connection on the back of this for that. So this is kind of where mass confusion comes in, because I'm not sure where all of these go. Because on the back of here, I know we got a few connections. We don't have that many. You know. I mean, we really only got 1, 2, and this only connects to, you know, either or. All these connections at the bottom. So I guess I gotta go look at their video and figure out what the hell I'm supposed to be connecting. I did unplug the battery, so no need to trip on that. Let's see. Let me go look at their video and see what I need to do here. Okay, folks. I think I got this thing all wired in. Note, this black thing where the arrow at, it comes out. You have to take that out. And whatnot. I didn't even record all that. But what they don't talk about is these damn tabs. This is why you have to take that black piece of plastic out, because behind these 2 silver things are 2 screws or 4 screws that you have to basically latch onto or put in these two holes to secure this. I didn't do that. I sawed these off. Yes.
Bruh.
Now, ain't no tabs on this one. So before I go breaking these tabs off and sawing on these tabs and making that fit, because I assume that's what I got to do, let's make sure this works. So let me plug the battery back up and see what happens. I hooked up all the microphones. I hooked up everything because I didn't know, or I didn't want to get everything put back in there and have to rip it all back out. But I understand you don't need the microphone or the speaker because the factory stuff works still. So, but man, I plugged it up anyway. So before I go ripping off these tabs, let's just see if this thing works. Now, if I had a Coca-Cola, I could clear all that up. Just pour some Coke on there. Or they said baking soda do it too, but all right, let's go in here. And let's see if we're gonna get power or this thing is gonna blow up. Now, I'm gonna turn my phone off because I need my phone to finish the setup. So let me go get my camera. All right, another problem that's not mentioned in the installation. Thanks a lot, Phoenix. This has to come out. Otherwise, your buttons for the blinkers and passenger airbag hits this and it won't go in. So, let's see if I can take that out. Okay. So you know the fucking clip that I broke off? Yeah. None in the Phoenix directions instructions tell you that you gotta remove this little thing in order for the radio to fit. There's nothing in there that tells you that. So I'm going to give them a F on instructions. The instructions, I'm sorry. This is too critical a thing to leave out. You know, their YouTube video doesn't go into the actual installation. If you got a 2010 Ford F150 Platinum and you're trying to install one of these Phoenix radios, this little piece has to come out. You do not have to saw the ends off your goddamn radio. They don't tell you that. Shaking my damn head. So yeah. I sawed those little ends off that were on there because, you know, nothing in the instructions say you got to remove this. Nothing. Not a damn thing. Oh shit! What I want to say here. Install with a little better instructions. The install probably would have been pretty easy. I mean, leaving it up to the person to figure out. You need to take out this little piece here. I mean, I get it. You know, probably should have thought of that, but you couldn't see these little tabs when this is in there, so there is nothing in their instruction says remove this little piece. If it had been, I'd have been done with this in about. This is about an hour install. With the proper instructions, this is an hour install. I wish they would have told me that it came already programmed, but you don't get those instructions. But I mean, the thing came from China, so what the fuck can I expect? Anyway, I am really too tired to kind of play with this, and I kind of want to get my truck all back sorted, so I'll finish this tomorrow. Alright, the install was not as easy, but then again, they didn't give all the full instructions, so I had to kind of figure some shit out, remove some shit that they didn't say need to be removed, but it's in. Is it worth $1,000? Yeah, this shit is bad.